Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you all of the items that I got in my January 2018 zenpop stationery box. So right off the bat, the first thing in here is just a little thank you note, as well as a paper listing all of the items and descriptions that are in the box. So the first item that I have here is the Yukio style ink pen and postcard. There were 3 different options, and the one that I got is called Fine Wind Clear Morning, or Gaifu Kaisi. The pen is just a normal ballpoint pen, but here I'm just writing the name of it so you guys can see what it's like. The next item in here is a dog fit notebook. It has cute little pixel dogs on the front, as well as grid-lined paper on the inside. So next up, I got a Kumamoto pencil and notebook set. I've personally never seen Kumamon, who's a little character on it before, but I do know it's pretty popular in Japan. Also, there were 3 different designs you could have gotten. I got this pink one with little Kumamons all over the front. Next thing I got was this Marai Dog Pochibukuro, which is just a little envelope, and it has little dogs on the front, which I think is super cute. The next item that I got was this window photo frame, where basically you put a little photo in the back and then you can open up the 2 panels on the front to reveal your photo. The next thing I got was a Reiki Danshi to-do list. There are 2 different page designs, and they have some cute little characters on them as well. I also got 2 dog washi tapes, one being a Shinzi Kato dog washi tape, and the other one, I'm not sure what it is, but I know I did get it because I have a subscription to zenpop. The next thing that I got is this cute little dog eraser. There were a few different options, but the one that I got had a little shoe with him. Also, I didn't show in this clip, but you can also take the little dog apart. And again, it's an eraser, but I probably won't ever use it because it's too cute. another thing that I got were 2 packages of stickers. One is Mindwear Pocha Shiba stickers, and I also got some Schedule Pop Seal stickers, which you can fold in half and put over pages. Next, I got this Mimi Cute Dog 2-color ball pen, and it's one of those pens that you can switch out the colors with, and I think it's so cute how the little triggers are its ears. Again, this pen has 2 different colors, black and red, so here I am just showing you what they look like. The last thing that I got from the box is a Pilot Friction highlighter. Thing about this that's super cool is that it's erasable, and I've been meaning to get one of these highlighters for a while, so I'm super happy I got one in this box. Overall, I was super happy with everything that I got. I love the dog theme, but I'd have to say my favorite thing out of everything is the dog bit notebook. It's just really nice and I like the design.